properties of definite integration. The first property is integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now how to prove this? We'll start with the RHS. Your integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now here we have a minus x, so we'll put a minus x equal to t. You have similar property in the next property set, that is this one, that is integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. So here again you will put a plus b minus x, and the third property that we are going to see in that, here you have 2a minus x. So it is like you can assume that it is a standard thing that whatever you get except x, you have to put that as a t. So here we have 2a minus x, so you will again put it as a t. So it is very similar theorems. So we'll start with the RHS and we'll put a minus x is equal to t. So after putting a minus x equal to t, you have to differentiate that. Differentiating with respect to x, that will give you a the constant. So the derivative of a with respect to x is 0. The derivative of x will be minus 1 is equal to dt by a dx. Now we can write dx is equal to minus of dt. Now the limit that is you are seeing over here, that is 0 and a, is for the value of x only. So when you have x as a variable, the limit has to be 0 and a, but here we are trying to convert the variable x into variable t, so you have to convert the limit also in terms of t. So when the lower limit of x is equal to 0, so what will be the value of t? So we can say that t is equal to a minus a, that is equal to a minus 0, so the value of t will be a. So here you can see that we have written that when x is equal to 0, t is equal to a minus x, but x is equal to 0 over here as a lower limit, so t equal to a. Now t equal to a becomes the lower limit for the integral. Same way, when the upper limit of the integration is a, you will write t is equal to a minus x. Here x is equal to a, so you will write a minus a, which is equal to 0. So now we'll have a new integral, that is from a to 0, because here the lower limit of t is now a and the upper limit is 0. So don't write 0 to a, because 0 is the smaller value. No, it's not like that. Okay, so here you have a lower limit as a and the upper limit as 0. So we'll write a to 0. Now instead of writing f of a minus x, we have already put a minus x equal to t, so we'll write f of t over here. And instead of writing dx, you will write minus dt, because dx is minus dt. Now after this you will take the negative sign common, we will get integration a to 0 f of t dt. Now you have the property where whenever you have the negative sign, you can interchange the limit, or you can change the limit as well. So that is nothing but 0 to a f of t dt, and you have to write the property in the bracket that integration of a to b f of x dx is nothing but minus b to a. So here you can see that here it is a to b